here at O2B Kids, and I just want to give you a skill that your kids can practice at home to keep their legs nice and strong. We're going to go over pliés today, and this is my student demonstrator, Miss Ellie. I know at home we don't have ballet bars, so one thing that you can use is a chair or a ledge of a window. Today we're going to use a chair for Miss Ellie. And so pliés come in, you do them from different positions. So we're going to start from first position right now. So first position is when our heels are together and our toes are rotated out. When we do this, we want to make sure our cores are nice and lifted, and our chest is nice and lifted, and our neck is nice and lifted. So we're going to start with a demi-plié. Demi means small, and plié means to bend. So they're going to do small bends from their knee. So as they're bending their knees, they're going to be lifting up. So we're going to do one demi-plié, 1, 2, 3, 4, and squeeze up, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when they're also bending, you want to make sure that their tailbone is reaching down towards the floor. Now we're going to do a grand plié. Now, grand means big. So they're going to do a big bend. When this is happening, you want to make sure that their knees are going out over their toes and that their tailbones are dropping towards the floor and they're keeping that tummy nice and lifted. All right, Miss Ellie, let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and squeeze up. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and squeeze up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Now that's done in first position. Now we're going to go out to second position. Can you guys second position? Now in second position, when we do our grand plié, we do not lift our heels, we keep them on the floor. So we're going to start by doing 2 demi-pliés. Go ahead, Miss Ellie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now give me a nice big grand plié. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. You may also do this in fourth and fifth position. For our younger dances, we normally just do the first and second position. Thank you.